And this is the second unit. This unit, problem with the plug. So this looks pretty professional. This also has the jack that push mechanism thing. This has the, feels like it has the triangle piece in it. It has this piece. And it also, but it's not, maybe it's missing that other piece here. I mean, it looks like it's pretty complete though. Like I said, I don't really check on it that much, but and just bolt on, pretty much complete. Looks like it. This one also is missing the coin cup. The coin cup is that whole thing. It's missing that whole thing, so you don't have to turn your head. This one also is set up a little differently. This one has, yeah, I guess these two harnesses are a little different. And this also has, it's running down here. And then it runs back here. Back over here by this cat pump to this right here. And this goes to a, this went to some sort of velociptor, which I don't have. But the shroud thing has it. You know, I don't know where. I'll have to find the shroud. I have it. All right, I know where it is. I had to dig it out. This also doesn't have the drawer, but I mean, you can. That's no big deal. And this has there's the controller. Here's the this. I guess this one's couldn't be bothered putting this one on. Tell here that it needs to be slipped on over the plastic spool. This right here, oh, it looks fancy. This is extra dividers. This one here is for lots of little vending things. And right there's a lot of spools. There's spiral things that I might just take. I don't know. Look, there's some vending back there. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, I might leave that. I don't want any more vending. The let's see. Okay. Let's see. A, B, C, D. Still remember that. 1, A, 2, A, 3, A, 4, A, 5, A, 6, A, A7, A8. Okay. Now, try putting some money in it. Okay. This time quarters. Okay. A. So this is, it says it's 50 cents. A. Okay, let's see. A2. There's your 50 cents. That actually worked. That's very good. About C2. Gives you an extra quarter for change. See? Oh, and this light doesn't work because I don't think it has a light. Oh, no light. So, that's the second unit. And that's the one with the billet scepter. And that also had the fancy power plug.